It's a Thanksgiving, so you know what the time it is. Time to make the turkey. The first thing you gotta do is to get the turkey out of the bucket. He's been soaking, and he's a soaky bird. You take him out. Oh, he's so heavy. Oh, he's so nice. The soaky bird. Now he spilled all the soaky. Next thing I gotta do is I gotta rinse the bird and get all the bathtub soap off. So that's why I stay in the bathtub. The bath time is over, so it's time to dry the bird. Dry the bird. He says the patty dry. I don't like a patty. I like a rubbing. And now comes one of my favorite parts. I'm feeling he's a bunghole full of apples. It's making me feel so giggly. So you take the apple and you cut it in half. That way the apples, they taste so nice. Yeah, and then you start shoving them in his bunghole. It's so nice. It's so nice. Oh, you gotta pull him up there, way up into his neck. Now for the most important part, the big rub down with the butter. That's the full bunghole. The first thing you gotta do is make sure the butter's soft. You don't want to give a rough butter to the turkey. So you take the butter and you start to rub it all over the turkey. He likes it. He likes it. Turkey rub down with the oil. You gotta get it all over. It's so nice. Oh, and down his leg. It's so nice. Oh yeah, the butter. We gotta get some in his armpits. Make him smell so good. And all over his chest. Yeah, I'm rubbing the butter. And I massage the butter. Massage the butter. That's so nice. Yeah. You must be very careful though. You gotta be careful massaging the butter. You massage it wrong, make his little timer pop up. There's my turkey. He's sitting up, getting ready to go in the oven. He looks so good. Any last words, Mr. Turkey? I think that turkey just flipped me the bird. You think that's a funny, turkey? Well, say hello to my little friends. Well, it looks like the turkey's a little done. We have a turkey jerky, I guess. Well, thanks for spending the morning with me. Have a happy Thanksgiving. It's so nice. Well, it looks like the turkey.